Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. We're up in Lake Tahoe and we do lots and lots of automation here and in Reno. But what we want to show today is how to use voice commands. Now voice commands can be done with the Amazon product or with Google Home, with the Google Assistant. Today we're going to do so with the A word. I can't say it out loud. So notice what we do. Alexa, turn on open public areas.
What device?
Turn on open public areas.
Okay.
So what we're going to notice is that the shades are going to open because we've programmed everything here to automatically open. I'm going quickly. So all of these shades throughout the home that are part of the scene have been made to open. So if you had this amazing view, you'd want to be able to just talk to your shades and have them open. To close, we would do the exact same thing. Alexa, turn on close public areas.
Okay.
And now just using the same commands, you'll notice that the shades are removing that beautiful view. We're at the Tahoe Blue Estates. Look it up online. I think you'd love to stay there. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog.